Hello, so today we are going to be learning about the basics of the Desmos graphing calculator and pretty much really how to graph a line and looking at ordered points. And so the first thing you would do is go to www.desmos.com, and then from there you're going to click on the graphing calculator. And what pops up should be a coordinate plane. On the bottom here you have your keypad, which has different functions that your computer does not have, like the squared button. If you come over here on this actual functions tab, it gives you trig, statistics, or miscellaneous things that you can use for your equations. And then to get rid of this, go back to this little keypad on the bottom, just say hide keypad by clicking it. And on the left hand side is where you're going to create your equations or expressions. And so from here, it will show you the rows. And so this one just has one row. If I want to add a row, I can click on this plus sign and it'll give me another expression I can write. And you can create as many rows as you want. And if you want to delete your rows, you can just hit the X mark here. It also gives you the ability to create a table. A table lets you write ordered pairs. So for instance, if I write 3, 6, I can see my ordered pairs right here. And if I click on this ordered pair, it will tell me which one that is. And re-clicking it makes it disappear. I can also type another one for 9. Notice this one does not pop up. For me to see where that is at, I can either click down on my mouse and drag my mouse upward till I see that coordinate point for 9, or I can use my zoom in and out buttons up here. I can zoom out all the way so I can really see both those coordinate points, or I can move in. And again, I can drag and just see the one. And then when you're done with your table, you can exit out. And now we can create your equation. I'm just going to do y equals 5x. And so here you can see I have a line. And if I want to look farther out at that line, I can zoom out, I can drag using my mouse, and I can see where it's crossing at the point 0, 0 here. Or again, you can also click and drag, and then you can see where those ordered pairs are on that line. What's also a really cool feature, if you click on this wheel here, the settings, you can change the color of your line by clicking right here, the red circle. I can make it blue. I can make my line dotted if I wanted to. And then I can also convert this to a table. And so the table lets me see those perfect ordered pairs without any decimals. And so that's a really cool feature. But just make sure if you hit the X, it's going to delete the whole table and your whole equation. So you just want to go back, make sure you click on this undo button. It'll take you back to your equation. You can also duplicate your equation if you wanted to. And then if you don't want to see this anymore, you can just hit done, or you can also exit out. But before I do that, I'm going to create one more line by clicking expression. And here I can do y equals x. And then you can see that's a different color, so I know exactly which line is which. If I want to hide a line, I can click on that purple dot up here and it will disappear. And if I click on it again, it will reappear. So that's the basics of using Desmos. I hope you learned a little bit something about creating lines and looking at ordered pairs or points on your line. Thank you.